almost ready to go. Fix my stay, as Wendy demonstrates here. We just need for the weather to settle down. Winter here means it's windy.
Geez Louise, wind is really, really nasty these past few days. We're just waiting for things to mellow out before we sail off, but these days, man, nasty. When will it stop? As it is already, my friend Henrik's boat, his stern line broke, and yesterday I was working on a video, and next thing I know, I feel this bump and noise. I thought maybe it's my friend Elvis, the fisherman, who came by to visit.
Hi Alex, how are you?
And I look out back, and Henrik's boat is basically on the back of my boat. So like it pulls itself away, you can hear the, nothing happens, and I'm just like, holy cow. So I secured it to the mooring line from the Dutch guy's boat. And then I called my friend Cheetah, and so he can call Patu, his nephew, to go dive and secure a line better. But man, this is like, it's wind here, man. It's on your nerves. Then there's this Russian boat in front of me, and I think I met the owner a few weeks back, but he's left. This boat's been here for a long time, but his Genoa is starting to come undone. And if this keeps up, man, it's going to be shredded. And I told my friend Koif, who takes care of that boat and its mooring, that he's got to do something about it. Whoa! Crazy, man. You have to do something. Yeah, man, it's going to be destroyed, that Genoa. And I would gladly go and help, but you don't like to step on other people's boats without their permission, or at least somebody knowing about it. Kind of breaks my heart to hear that thing just flopping around. Hopefully Koif will take care of it soon, otherwise I'm just going to have to take upon myself to try to tighten that up, because otherwise that Genoa is going to be ripped to shreds. I've seen it happen before on other boats, man, with winds. Whew, like this. Check this out.
The wind did settle down for a day, and we could enjoy. Wendy has a body fit for a mermaid. Problem is, she's lacking gills, and has yet to master dancing in the water as she does on land. She can't quite swim yet, which could be a problem traveling on a boat. One of our goals is to develop Wendy into a functional mermaid. Come on, girl, swim. She wants to, but she's a little intimidated, yet not afraid.
Okay.
And look at her. She wants to dance with the flow. And that's why I want to take her to the bluest waters in Cabo Verde, Boa Vista, where the beaches are golden and waters turquoise. There, I believe, she'll find a mermaid in her. Dancing with the flow is in her blood, man.
And look what came in the mail. Let's see. Came all the way from Switzerland. What could it be? I think I know. My boat papers. Got it. Official. Huh? Got a stamp with it. Watermark. The real thing. Good to go. Alright. I'm about to do some real ghetto trailer park repair on my cushions. Made in China, duct tape. Look at that, it's pretty ghetto. So that'll protect the cushion so I can get it fixed. Like here, I'm gonna wait the seats to dry up a little bit. You see, pretty white trash, trailer park ghetto. But I don't care. This will hold it until I get to that car and I can fix it. As well, I can fix this. Look, that boats me. All right.
Okay, here we are with an off-topic moment. As some of you might know, I am Swiss, and in Switzerland there is a certain meal that we love called raclette. All it is boiled potatoes with melted cheese on them, but a special melted cheese called raclette. That's the name of the cheese. It's made in the valleys of the Valais canton in Switzerland, and it's really traditional. Since I can't have that here in Cabo Verde, I found a substitute. Found this delicious Gouda cheese, which tastes similar to raclette, and I melt it over my potatoes. This, ladies and gentlemen, is raclette on a boat in Africa, Cabo Verde to be precise. Well, there's one final fix I need to do before we go. Yep, 2 new flags. A real important cosmetic one. Technically, this isn't a real Swiss flag because the unique thing about a Swiss flag is that it's square. And as you can see, this is rectangular. So this isn't really a Swiss flag, but it'll do. To all those people who said I should change my flags, well, there you go. Just came out of the water. Was down there cleaning a little bit of the hull. Got more to do. I'll do it tomorrow. I'm gonna seek some help from friend of ours from Dakar, Senegal, Raphael. You may remember him from previous videos when we were in Dakar. He's here, and he needs to get back to Dakar, and I offered to have him sail with us from Mindelo to Sal, and he has a better chances of getting a flight back to Dakar from there, and we could sail together. So it's gonna be me, him, and Wendy. I cleaned up the propeller, but I think tomorrow I'm gonna ask Raphael if he can help me do that a little bit better. The weather looks absolutely fantastic. Tomorrow I'm going to go to the marina over there so I can fill up with water, hose the boat down with fresh water, and get some last minute groceries. We'll spend the night there Monday night, and then early Tuesday morning we'll be off to Sal. So finally on the move. Boat's looking great, it's got new flags. I'm feeling pretty good. Wendy's feeling pretty good, ready to go. So, hasta la vista soon, man. We're gonna go soon. Look, everybody, look, here's my good friend Eder. And now he's a daddy once again. Alors, Eder, qu'est-ce que tu racontes maintenant?
Ah, beaucoup de choses à changer, Alex. De retour, mais maintenant du boulot, avec la petite, là.
Ça te plaît, la France?
Ça plaît, ouais.
Ouais.
C'est à notre vie, des autres choses, des autres costumes, on va dire ça.
Mais t'as toujours soldat de beauté, là?
Bien sûr. C'est juste que mon pays, maintenant, c'est un peu différent, quand même. Hein. Mais c'est bien, ça fait du bien. Ouais, je le vois avec des nouveaux yeux, on va dire ça, et je constate aussi des changements. Parfois négatifs, parfois positifs aussi, quoi.
And then you won't believe who else is here. This motherfucker from Dakar, Raphaël. Qu'est-ce qu'il raconte là, Raphaël?
Tout va bien, tout va bien, content d'être à Mindelo. Voilà, on est content de revoir Mindelo, ça faisait longtemps, de revoir Alex, de revoir tous les amis.
Ouais.
Le destin c'est beau, voilà.
Ouais, le monde
toujours
est petit.
pareil.
Même qu'il est plat, le monde est...
Ouais, on arrive à en faire le tour quand même, c'est dingue.
Et là, il y a Camille. Qu'est-ce que tu racontes là, la vie de maman?
Je parle à qui? Eh ben, la vie de maman, c'est fatigant, mais c'est génial. Voilà,
Alors,
le petit cadeau.
Et quand c'est que vous déménagez au Cap Vert?
Oula, t'en as parlé avec Eder?
Ouais.
Et il dit quoi? Qu'on soit raccord?
Ouais.
Ouais.
Je pense qu'un jour on va venir, mais je ne sais pas si c'est pour...
La retraite
Là, ouais, peut-être.
La retraite, ça serait...
It was great to see Eder and Camille. He used to work as a security guard at the marina, and now is a carpenter, baby daddy and a Cape Verdean Frenchman, who's going back to France. As for us, well, there's your answer. The wild blue yonder. welcome to Galopin. These are our studios, man. This is where the magic happens. It's humble, but it gets the job done. It's because of the great people like you on Patreon who make this happen. This Living Adventure series. I hope you'll join our community. We've got some extra perks like live updates, news, photos, videos, and I've even taken a stab at writing some short stories which are not for general audiences on YouTube. And our friend Graham from Australia set up a WhatsApp chat to aptly called Galopin's Cockpit. Guys from all over have joined, and it's this community that's contributing to the continuation of this Living Adventure series. If not, you can always watch us for free on YouTube. Make sure to give us a like or a dislike, make a comment, make your opinion heard. I'll try to get back to you. Thanks for watching this episode of Winded Voyage, a real living adventure series. It's not fake, baby.